Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. So we'll see what is coming up, Cancers. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your daily energies and few cards for your love energies, and I'll be giving your wisdom oracle message at last, guys. So these cards may relate to your personal life, your relationship, or your work situation. And we'll turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. And these are the cards for your love energies. So this is what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So that is the energy with these cards. And guys, please comment whether you like this reading, if this reading needs to be any way different. Please let me know through your comments, and whether you like this reading, guys. So this is your card. This is your wisdom oracle card. So we'll open that card at last, guys. So that may answer what question you have deep in you, something which is there in your mind all the time. So that will be the answer for that. So we'll go with the daily reading, guys. Nine of Wands in reverse, the Tower, Four of Cups. Cancers, the energy with these cards is that, guys, you are facing lot of struggles and obstacles in your life, guys. This may relate to your work situation or your personal life. So things are not going as you expected, and you may feel that certain projects are getting delayed or suspended in your work, and you are really deeply thinking within yourself what you need to do, and you don't know the path what you need to take, and you are considering all the different ways to overcome these struggles. You are lost in your thoughts. You are contemplating your next plan of action. So you may be always overthinking within yourself about your life, about these struggles and your concerns, whatever you have, and you are not seeing the things that are coming towards you. Something is being offered to you. It may be a new opportunity in your work, or it may be a new person coming into your life. Maybe you are separated from your past person, and you feel that pain and anxiety and that loss, and today something is coming towards you. Maybe this new person is coming towards you offering love, but you are not taking it because you are not aware of what is coming towards you, Cancers. So that is what these cards denote, guys. That is the energy with these cards, and you are seeing great changes. You are seeing the truth in your situation. So you would have thought of some things in a different way, but the truth is being revealed to you, guys. That is also the energy here, Cancers. So let us see what are these cards relating to your relationship. Mountain, Anchor, Birds. So with these cards, Cancers, again the energy is you are facing certain conflicts and troubles in your relationship with this person. You may have certain misunderstandings or arguments with them. There are challenges in this relationship. That is the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you are talking to your friends and family, you are taking their suggestions regarding what you need to do in life, what should be your next plan of action, or about these about this situation. So that is also the energy here, guys. And you are feeling that responsibility. Maybe for some of you all, you may reach some kind of understanding regarding this person, and you feel that you have learned something from this experience, and you are moving on with life. You are feeling a sense of completion, maybe because of this understanding that you have about this person or about this situation. So that is helping you, though things may go bad, things are not going in a very positive way for you all. You may be struggling in your relationship, and or you may be struggling in your work situation. Still you see confidence in your heart and courage, because you are knowing the truth of things. You are getting that understanding, the true meaning of any situation or the persons, what words they speak. So you are getting that truth revealed to you, guys, and because of that deep understanding you have, you feel relieved in some way. You feel victorious that you are able to grasp the inner meaning of the words spoken, or about this person, or about any situation. So this may be this situation may be destined one, guys. This is supposed to happen, that is why it is happening in this particular way. So there is no need to worry about it, that things are going in such a way. So that is also the energy here, Cancers. So let us see what is the card for your oracle message, the wisdom oracle message. So this relates to your question, guys. This will answer your question, whatever you had. So we'll think deeply about it for a minute, and we'll turn the card. Co-create. This is the oracle message for you guys, Cancers. Cancers, the energy with this card, this wisdom oracle card, is that, guys, you are trying really hard to make things go your way, and whatever you are expecting. So without listening to your intuition or your spirit, whatever you feel deeply, so you are leaving that, and you are working towards something to manifest. So you need to avoid that, guys. You need to listen to your inner spirit, whatever intuition you have this day. When you do that, you will create your future with your that inner spark or guidance of God, whatever you call it, or belief, whatever belief that you have. When you move the blocks you have in believing that inner strength, inner spirit that you have, you will work miracles today, guys. So that is what this card means. So whenever we get this card, it just means that our universe is waiting for us to give it that space to work in us. So this is the time to feel a great inspiration, guys, and that adaptability in us, to feel that a change is happening in us, to feel that inspiration and manifestations coming towards us. So this is the time of that universal spirit working in us, helping us to create that beauty and grace in all the things that we do. So it is a time for you to be prepared to welcome that beauty and grace in your life. So that is the energy with this card, Cancers, and that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment, and please let me know whether we need to make any changes in this reading. So thank you again, guys, for watching. Bye, Cancers.